Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to my automotive channel. Today we're going to be looking at my Alfa GTV, which is hid behind the caravan, and it's been there now for about a month. I'll go into detail in a second, but yeah, the caravan's coming along nicely. I will have an update on that very soon for you guys. I'm loving my MG4 trophy, plenty more videos on that one. But yeah, let's take a look at my Alfa Romeo GTV. So if you're new to the channel, thank you for subscribing. So basically I bought 3 cars in about a week and we picked this one up. This is a Alfa Romeo GTV 1996, 80,000 miles, and it was a bit of a garage find. This one had been locked away in a garage for about 9 years, we reckon. So when I picked the car up, it needed new tyres, new exhaust, few other little bits, needed the interior kind of refreshed, a couple of rips on the driver's seat, but again it was being used. So I was like, yeah, I want it on eBay. It was a good price. Unfortunately, after insuring it, paying for new tyres and getting ready for some road trips, and eventually I was going to do this one up, getting them all painted up like new, unfortunately what we think is the diff is packed up on him, which is not the best. So after several days of thinking about it, what to do and everything, we put it up for sale as spares and repairs non-runner. Unfortunately, no one's interested. So I've had several people ask me, is this part available? I'm like, not breaking. Is this part available? Still not breaking. We decided to break it now. So tyres are not going to go to waste. Obviously we got the Spider and we haven't put tyres on the Spider yet because the tyres are good. But these ones are even better because they're brand new, and we don't know how long the tyre's been on the Spider because that was stood for a couple of years. So we're going to swap the wheels over. They're both 96, both same year. That's not going to be a problem. A few other things we're going to change. Hannah's Spider has a crack in the rear light down here. So that's my job today. I'm going to take the rear light off and swap them over. I'm going to try and salvage as much out of this as possible to sell the parts on basically, but at the same time there's a few things that do need repairing on the Spider, so it's our car, so we're going to do that. I think Anna's going to have my exhaust because even though it needs a new exhaust, this exhaust is a lot better than the one on the Spider. So we'll get the exhaust done. I think this one has a good radiator as well, so we're going to swap the radiators over. I think the Spider's radiator is slightly going on the bottom. Other than that, it's pretty much the same. The interior has gone up for sale today. It's not the best driver's seat. There's a giant big hole with that. But yeah, the interior has gone up for sale. I got someone already interested in the sunroof. And we'll see what happens with this one. But we'll try and get our money back as much as we can. I never bought this to sell. I bought this to keep, and we had his and hers. We had the Spider, which was Anna's, and the GTV, which was mine, and I was going to get them all done up and do a nice Euro trip in them, but unfortunately that's not happening anymore. The Euro trip might have to happen in the MG4, or if I buy something else in between. I am looking at something right now, so in a couple of days, you never know. But yeah, that's what's happened with GTV. So if any of you are interested, the parts are going to be on eBay. I'll put a link in the description to the eBay, my eBay, just so you can see what parts we have available. And obviously it's advertised on Facebook. But I wanted to keep you guys updated because I know I don't keep you updated on a lot of my cars. But this is one I really wanted to do some videos on, work on, do some trips in. It's just unfortunate what's happened. Now there's a video of the diff playing up. I don't know if I can fit that into another video at a later date, but it does not sound the best, I can tell you that now. It's undrivable. To get it from our driveway to the yard where we rent some spaces is literally 300 yards, and it barely made that. So I was very fortunate that it started playing up on the drive that morning, because I'd already noticed 1 or 2 knocks, and then it completely went as we poured out the drive. So yeah, that's a shame, but hopefully we can salvage some parts over it for the Spider and sell the rest on. Other than that, the caravan's looking good. I've done a bit of work to it. We will update you on that very soon, but it still needs a clean. Obviously I've done a little bit of cleaning, just to fit some stickers on, but at the moment it looks like some Alfa parts are going to be kept in here, which is ideal, because we want to get this stripped down as fast as possible and moved on, so we can get another car up here, which, believe it or not, is another classic Fiat 500, which you guys have not seen yet. So yeah, that's my GTV. Let me know what you guys think. Very sorry if you was looking forward to videos on this, but we will be doing videos on the Spider, because the Spider's not going anywhere, and we're doing that one up as well. They was going to be done at the same to do the shows. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. If you want to see what the outcome of this one turns out like, please subscribe. And yeah, hopefully I'll have an update on you soon on what's happened to it and what parts we've removed. But anyway, thanks for watching, and bye for now.